Hello everyone, welcome here in 6th class maths. Student, today I am going to start exercise 5a of fraction. Yes, exercise 5a, come to this question number 1. Identify the proper, improper and mixed fraction. Yes, first 11 upon 13. Here your numerator is less than denominator. Numerator is here 11 and your denominator is 13. This is your numerator, this is your denominator. Yes, here numerator is less than denominator, that's why this is your proper fraction. Second, 13 upon 11. Here numerator is greater than denominator, that's why this is your improper fraction. Third, yes, here 1 as an integral part and 3 upon 11 as a fractional part. Yes, and this is called mixed fraction. Third is your mixed fraction. Fourth, 71 upon 100. Here numerator is less than denominator, that's why this is your proper fraction. Now student, these part you will try yourself. Question number 2, write the following mixed fractions as improper fractions. Yes, first is 2 whole 10 upon 17. Yes, if we have something in mixed fraction, yes, like this, and we have to convert this into improper fraction. For this we will use this one formula. Yes student, we know what is the integral part. Yes, this whole number is called integral part. 2 is integral part and we have to multiply this by denominator. Denominator is 17 and then we have to add here numerator, that is 10. Yes, 2 multiply by 17 plus 10 and in dividation we will take denominator 17. Yes, this formula you will use to find improper fraction of a mixed fraction. Yes, what is this? Integral part multiplied by denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Yes, in this first part 2, this is your integral part. 17 denominator, you have to take this in multiplication, plus 10. 2 multiplied by 17, 34 plus 10 upon 17, 44 upon 17. This is your improper fraction. Second, 3 whole 1 upon 14. 3 integral part and with this 3 you will take denominator as multiplication plus numerator, that is 1. 3 multiplied by 14 plus 1 upon 14. Yes, this is equal to 43 upon 14. Like this, third and fourth, try yourself. Question number 3 is here, convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Yes. In first part, 37 upon 12. Yes, 12, this is your divisor and 37 dividend. On dividation, what are you getting? 3 quotient and 1 as a remainder. This quotient you have to take as a whole and 1, that is your remainder, you have to take as a numerator, and 12, which one is your divisor, you have to take in denominator. Okay, now this is the mixed form of this given improper fraction. Second, 110 upon 43. Yes, on dividation what we are getting? 2 as a quotient, 24 remainder. Yes, 2 we have to take as a whole and 24, which one is your remainder, you have to take as a numerator, and 43 divider you have to take as a denominator. Yes, 2 whole for 24 upon 43. This is your mixed fraction of this given improper fraction. Third and fourth, try yourself. Next is question number 4, fill in the blanks. First, 3 upon 7. Yes. Equivalent fraction. Yes. Same number we have to take in multiplication with the numerator and denominator both. Yes. Here if you will divide this 42 by 7, then what you will get? 6. It means 7 multiplied by 6, we are getting 42. This 6 also we have to take in multiplication with this numerator 3. Yes. 3 upon 7. 3 multiply 7 multiplied by 6, 3 multiplied by 6. Yes, what we are getting? 3 6 are 18. 7 6 are 42. Okay. It means the required number is 18. 18. Yes, come to the second. 32 upon 80. Yes, 80 divided by 5. If you will divide this 80 by 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30, 16. It means 16 times it is multiplied. Now you have to take 16. Yes. 32 divided by 16, then what you are getting? 32 divided by 16. 16 1 is 16, 16 2 is 32. It means 2. Yes. Third 7 whole 2 upon 9. Yes. First we will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. You are getting 65 upon 9. 9 1 is 9. That's why what will be the equivalent of this 65? 65. 65 multiplied by 1 is equal to 65. Fourth, yes. 8 multiplied by 8, 64. And 5 multiplied by 8, 40. Like this, student, find out other equivalent fraction of this question number 4. Fifth, fill in the blanks with less than, equal to, or greater than. First is here 7 upon 10. We have to find here the sign, and 21 upon 25. For this, student, we have to make the denominator same. Okay. After the same denominator, we can easily identify which one is greater and which one is smaller. Okay. By checking of numerator, find out the, first of all we have to make denominator same. For this we will find LCM of these given denominators. 10 and 25. Yes, LCM of 10 and 25 is 50. Yes, here is LCM. To make this 15 denominator, you will take a same number, which one you have to take in multiplication with numerator and denominator both. That is 5. 10 multiplied by 5, yes, 50, and 7 multiplied by 5, then you are getting here, yes, 75 and 50. Yes, on here you have to make in denominator 50. That's why you will take 2 in multiplication. 25 multiplied by 2 and 21 multiplied by 2. 21 multiplied by 2, 42. And 25 multiplied by 2, 50. Yes, here denominators are same. Yes. Now we will check numerator. In numerator, 35 is less than 42. That's why this 7 upon 10 is less than 21 upon 25. Okay. Second part is here 8 upon 9, 11 upon 12. Yes, what we have to do? First we have to make denominator same. For this we will find the LCM of 9 and 12. Yes, LCM is 36. Yes, from here you can check. Yes, we have to make 36 in denominator. For this first fraction 8 upon 9, we will take 4 in multiplication with numerator and denominator both. Yes, 8 multiplied by 4, 32. 9 multiplied by 4, 36. Here with 11 upon 12, we will take 3. 12 multiplied by 3, 36. 11 multiplied by 3, 33. Yes, 36 here in this first fraction and in denominator, and second fraction 36 is also here in denominator, means denominator are same. Now we will check numerator. Here 32 is less than 33. That's why your 8 upon 9 is less than 11 upon 12. Third and fourth part of question number 5, try yourself. Come to this 6. We have to write fraction in ascending order. Yes, these 3 fractions are here in this first part. Yes, we can write this in ascending order. First we have to make like fraction. Like fraction means denominator should be same. First of all, we will find the LCM of denominators, means 25, 8 and 10. Denominator LCM of denominators is 200. Yes, here this is the process to find out the LCM by prime factorization. Yes, take this first one fraction 18 upon 25. To make this 200 in denominator, we will take 8 in multiplication with numerator and denominator both. Then we are getting 144 upon 200. Come to this second fraction 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8, for this you will take 25 in multiplication with numerator and denominator both. Then you are getting 125 upon 200. Yes, with this third fraction 7 upon 10, you will take 20 in multiplication. Then you are getting 140 upon 200. Yes, denominators are same. Now we will check numerator. In ascending order means we have to move from smaller to bigger. Smallest numerator is here 125. Yes, 125 upon 200. After this we will take 140 upon 200 and then 144 upon 200. And the original form is 5 upon 8, 7 upon 10 and 18 upon 25. Yes, come to the second part. Yes, what we have to do to find out the ascending order? First we have to make all these given fractions, we have to change these in like fraction. Yes, we will make same denominator. First for this we have to find LCM of all these denominators. LCM of 5, 15 and 20 is 60. Yes, this is the process of prime factorization. After this you are getting 60. Yes, we have to make 60 in denominator. First you will take this first fraction 9 upon 5. Yes, you will take 12 with multiplication. You have to multiply this 12 with numerator and denominator both. Then you are getting 108 upon 60. With this second fraction you will take 4 in multiplication. Yes, 112 upon 60. For this third fraction 37 upon 20, you will take 3. 111 upon 60. Yes, ascending order means first we have to write smallest. Yes, and we will check this with numerator. Smallest is here 108 upon 60. After this 111 upon 60, then 112 upon 60, and this is your original form. 9 upon 5, 37 upon 20, 28 upon 50. Yes, student, like this try third and fourth yourself. Now come to the 7. We have to write each of the following groups of fractions in the descending order. Yes. First we have to make same denominator. For this we will find the LCM of denominators. Yes. We have to find the LCM of 32, 48 and 40, that is 480. Yes, here this is the process. Now student, with this first fraction 5 upon 32, we will take 15 in multiplication. Then we are getting 75 upon 480. Yes, with this second fraction 11 upon 48, we will take 10 in multiplication. 110 upon 480. Third fraction 7 upon 40, we will multiply this numerator by 12, and also we will take this and multiply with denominator. Yes, 84 upon 480. Now student, we have to put all these fractions in descending order. Those are having equal denominators. Yes, here descending order means greatest one we have to write at first number, that is 110 upon 480. Less than this 84 upon 480, and then after this one 75 upon 480. Yes, original form is 11 upon 48, 7 upon 40, 5 upon 32. This sign will change. Yes, this one is greater. Yes, change the sign. Yes, now these are in descending order. Second part. In this second part, student, second part you will try yourself. This is your third part. 5 upon 144, 9 upon 84, 7 upon 32. Yes. First we will make denominator same. For this we will find the LCM of denominators. Yes. Denominator, LCM of all these denominator is 11,088. Yes. Here this is prime factorization of all these given denominators. Yes. Come to this first 5 upon 144. To make 11,088 in denominator, we have to take 77 in multiplication. Yes, with this second fraction you will take 132, and with this third 7 upon 32 you will take 84. Yes, now denominators are same. In descending order means we have to take greatest one. Greatest numerator is here 1188. Yes, after this less than this. Yes, change the sign. This one is greatest 1188. After this 588, and less than this 385, and the original form is 9 upon 84, 7 upon 132, 5 upon 144. These are in descending order, that's why change the sign. Yes, 9 upon 8 greater than 7 upon 32. Yes, greater than 5 upon 144. Okay. Second part, try yourself and practice all these sums. Up to next video. Thank you.